Welcome to the Windows Computer Technology channel, and something interesting is happening and kind of surprises a lot of people. If you are using or if you have simply installed on your PC the Copilot app, well, insiders are starting to get a new version of the Copilot app. And what is surprising is that right now, like the one that I'm showing here, this is what we call a progressive web app. It's in reality kind of a web interface of Copilot and not an app that's installed in the PCs, just kind of showing us, a web front. Now, Microsoft is starting to roll out a native app. It decided to move away from progressive web apps and turn Copilot into a full-fledged app on your PC that will actually work and give you the same details and the same AI capabilities. So this is kind of a surprising move. A lot of people were wondering actually why they're doing this, especially with Microsoft pushing progressive web apps a lot. It kind of is strange that they decided that maybe a full-fledged app on your computer would be a better thing. I would guess maybe for a lot of people, if you get this later on, because it's rolling out now slowly, not a lot of people have it, rolling out slowly to the insiders, will eventually reach in probably early 2025 standard Windows 10 and 11 users. And possibly, hopefully, I know a lot of people would like to see a uninstall button appear, especially if it's a native app for Windows. I think a lot of people will want a uninstall button. Who knows? This might be happening in 2025. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.